Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about water cycle, precipitation, that is rainfall, types of rainfall, and how we can measure the rainfall in our locality. Water cycle can be demonstrated using a simple experiment. For this we need a glass jar, ice cubes, hot water and aluminium bowl. Take the glass beaker and pour with hot water up to 1 by 4th level. Then place aluminium bowl on the top of the beaker and place ice cubes in the aluminium bowl. As the process starts, the hot water in the beaker gets evaporated, and when they touch the cool surface of aluminium with ice, it gets condensed. This process is called condensation. Without the lid of aluminium and ice, it gets evaporated. Here, the evaporation from hot water is compared with the evaporation from seas, rivers, oceans, etc. And the upper part, that is aluminium bowl with ice, acts as the clouds. When the hot vapors reaches the clouds, they get condensed and returns as rain. This process is called precipitation. Here you can see when the hot vapors are touching the cool surface like cloud, they are condensed and returning as water drops in the jar. This is the water cycle: evaporation, condensation followed by precipitation. There are three types of precipitation: rainwater, snow or hailstones. In cold regions, the snow gets evaporated into water vapor directly. This process is called sublimation. In that regions, you can see snow type of precipitation. Hails are seen when the water returns from extremely cold regions of the cloud. And there is another form called sleet. It is a mixture of rain and snow. Apart from evaporating from seas, oceans and rivers, there is also evaporation from the trees. That process is called transpiration. So when there are more trees, there will be more rainfall. Do you know the pleasant odor that can be felt during rainy season? It is called petrichor. It is this pleasant smell that causes due to the release of oils and chemicals from the plants when they react with raindrop and soils.